In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart with Squarespace 7.1. Whether you're looking to start fresh or clean up your workspace, these steps will guide you through the process with ease and clarity. The key is to ensure a smooth transition while preserving the aspects of your site you wish to keep. First things first, open Squarespace and make sure you are logged into your account. Logging in gives you access to the tools and settings you need to manage your site effectively. Once you've entered your credentials and are securely logged in, you'll be greeted by your homepage. This is your command center, showcasing the various options and configurations available to you. Take a look at the lower left corner of your screen and you'll find your profile icon. Give it a click. This will reveal a list of your hosted websites. From this list, select the website you intend to work on. This ensures you're making changes to the correct site and not altering any projects unintentionally. With your website selected, the next step is to navigate to the Pages section. You'll find this within the main menu, typically placed towards the top or center of the interface. Here, all your site's pages are listed, giving you a comprehensive view of your website's structure and content distribution. As you peruse the list of pages, focus on locating the specific sections or pages you wish to remove. On the left side of each page entry, you'll notice a Delete button. Clicking on this button will prompt you to confirm your decision to delete, helping prevent accidental removal of content. Take your time to scroll through and identify all the pages you want to discard. It's important to note that once a page is deleted, you may not be able to recover it immediately, so be sure this is what you intend before confirming. After carefully selecting the pages you wish to delete, click the Delete button again to finalize the process. Squarespace may ask for a final confirmation to ensure that you are completely certain about your actions. This additional step is designed to safeguard your content and provide a moment to reconsider if needed. By following these steps, you're able to efficiently restart and declutter your Squarespace 7.1 website without unnecessary headaches. This not only streamlines your site's organization, but also ensures a cleaner and more effective user experience for your visitors. Remember, these changes are irreversible, so double-check your selections to avoid removing any pages you might wish to keep. And that's it. Your site is now ready for whatever new content or structure you wish to implement.